The lenses are here. I'm Dave, and there's Tom. And here, play.
Welcome to Retired Time Productions.
Hello, Magix Movie Edit Pro users. Now, you've probably seen the intro that I've got at the beginning of my videos, and you might have thought that you wanted to create your own intro. Now, I've got 3 down here that I've created using components on the internet, and as I play them, you can just take a look and see if you like any of these formats, because what I'm thinking of doing is doing some tutorials on how to make intros for your channel on YouTube or for other purposes. So if you're interested in doing this, just give me a thumbs up at the end of this video and leave me a comment underneath and tell me that you'd like me to do some intro tutorials. Okay, now I'm going to play all 3 of those intros again in full screen with sound so that you can hear what they're like. Here we go.
Welcome to Retired Time Productions.
Retired Time Productions.
Welcome to Retired Time Productions.
Okay, so you've seen all 3 of the introductions now, and you probably like one better than the other, I don't know. But what I want you to do is, if you're interested in me doing tutorials on these, just give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment and let me know that you want me to do it. And you can also in the comment include which one you like the best. Did you like this one with the fire in the sky? Or maybe the one with the sphere rotating in the background? Or perhaps the one with the fly-in sun and the clouds right here. So just let me know what you want to do. Leave me a comment and a thumbs up, and we'll get going on it and teach everybody how to do it. So thanks for watching, and see you on the tube.
And here, play.